So November, apart from the greatest month in history, is Youth and Parents Month. And we have a young UNICEF and Special Olympics Global Ambassador, Lucy Meyer. And she's with us now, and with her mom, Jamie Meyer, joined by Special Olympics of Jamaica volleyball coach, Lance Corporal Lauren Grant. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica. And welcome back to Jamaica. You've been on Smile Jamaica before, you both.
Yes.
Lucy has.
Yes. What is cerebral palsy?
So I have cerebral palsy because when I was born, I was born a week early, and when I was born, I had no oxygen coming to my brain for 5 minutes at birth. My organs were failing. I had no oxygen. They wanted to take me off life support because they didn't think I could survive. By 2 years old, I was walking on my feet, even though they said that I was never supposed to sit up or fall.
Wow. How did you get involved in swimming?
I started swimming at 8 years old, just for fun. And I loved it so much that I asked my parents if I could play swim every day of my life.
What about swimming that you love?
Because I love it so much.
What about just the
I
water?
love the way it feels. I just love the water. I love having fun with my friends. And thank you to the Special Olympics. Now I compete in swimming, and it's the best.
Fantastic. Mom, why are you guys here in Jamaica this time?
We're here because there's a big event on tomorrow for Special Olympics, the unified competition for soccer, bocce, and volleyball, I think, right?
Yeah.
And
And Lucy's the keynote speaker.
you will speak. What will you tell them, Lucy?
How much I love Special Olympics and how happy I am to be there.
Fantastic.
And I get to participate a little bit, so I'm very excited. I love to play sports.
Fantastic. You play other sports apart from swimming? You do other sports?
Yes.
Oh, brilliant. Coach?
Yes, sir.
Morning. Good to see you. How did you get this position as the national volleyball coach?
Well, as a national volleyball coach, whilst coming from Costa Rica for Paralympics coach, I got a call from my association that the person's going to Special Olympics to coach the game. Without hesitation, I accept the job.
How easy or how difficult is it for you?
It is not easy. You get to have a lot of nightless sleeps, and you get to learn from these persons. It gives you a different feel of what Special Olympics is all about, what a unified game's supposed to be.
Okay.
And on Saturday, we'll display all of this.
All right. You said Saturday. Tell me what will happen tomorrow.
On the 23rd, we will have the National Special Olympics game. We will have volleyball, basketball, bocce, and also a lot of things to engage the athletes and partners. So you can come out and support us all.
Yep. I think you have a health clinic also.
Yeah, a health clinic where the athletes and partners will get a chance to have healthy foot, dental, eye screen, and a whole lot of other stuff.
Fantastic. Great to see everyone. Welcome back to Jamaica. I know it's your second time. Lucy, great to meet you. And have some fun while you're here. And
I will. Thank you very much.
yeah, I'm sure you will. Thank you very much. And Coach,
Yes,
good to
sir.
see you. UNICEF and Special Olympics Global Ambassador Lucy Meyer, her mom, Jamie Meyer, and Special Olympics of Jamaica volleyball coach, Lauren Grant. We've got an hour left, folks. We'll see you in a bit. Soon come.